Hello my dear students, this is Pushpa Varadrajan. In this video, you are going to learn about introduction of negative integers in maths. You know already natural numbers and the whole numbers. Now, set of natural numbers starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Next, set of whole numbers starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now, you are going to learn another set of numbers in maths that is called integers. Set of integers. For this, you have to put some dots. Then minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now, integers is a combination of positive and negative numbers along with 0. Now, you can represent these integers on the number line. 0 comes in between. All the positive integers comes towards the right side of the number line. All the negative numbers, negative integers comes towards the left side of the number line. These are all called positive integers. Positive integers. And this side it is called negative integers. Negative integers. 0 is an integer without any sign. That means an integer is a group of numbers with positive sign and negative sign along with 0. If we go towards the right side of the number line, the value of the number goes on increasing. If you come towards the left side of the number line, the value of the number goes on decreasing. Now, 0 is less than all positive integers. 0 is less than plus 4. Even if you don't write plus, it is understood, it is plus. Now, 4 is less than 7. 4 is less than 7. If we consider minus, 0 is greater than all the negative numbers. That is, 0 is greater than minus 2. Minus 2. And here, minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. And if you write 0, 0 is greater than minus 20. That means if you write minus sign and the value of the number, if you go towards the left side of this side of the number line, value of the number goes on decreasing, and if you come towards this side, the value of the number goes on increasing. Now, sums from the exercise. This is the first exercise, that is write opposites of the following. Write opposites of the following. See, it is increase in weight. What is the opposite for this? For increase in weight, the opposite is decrease in weight. It is decrease in weight. Now, increase in weight is represented by plus sign and decrease in weight is represented by minus sign. Next one is 30 kilometers north. 30 kilometer north. For this, for north, the opposite is south. Therefore, it is 30 kilometer south. If we represent 0. If you take 0 as the base, if you go 30 kilometers to the north, it is 30 kilometers, that is plus 30 kilometer, and if you go towards the south from the base level 0, if you consider 0 as the base level, then that minus, this is represented by minus 30 kilometer. For 326 BC, opposite is 326 AD. Now, loss of rupees 700. Loss is represented by minus sign. Therefore, for this, the profit of rupees 700. For loss, opposite is profit. Loss is represented by minus sign and that profit is represented by plus sign. Now you have understood the necessity of negative numbers in the maths. Now one more question from the textbook. Represent the following numbers. Represent following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. See, you have to write the statement in the form of integers with appropriate sign. First question is, an aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meters above the ground. Above the ground. If you take 0 as the ground level, and if you go towards the up, it is plus, and if you go below ground level, it is minus. This can be represented by plus 2000 meter. Now one more sum from the textbook. Now a submarine is moving at a depth of 800 meters below sea level. See, if you consider ground as 0, then if you go towards up, it is plus, and if you go towards down, it is minus. Therefore, it is 800 meters. And a deposit of rupees, 200 to a bank account That means depositing money to the bank is represented by positive sign, and next is withdrawal of money. Withdrawal of rupees 700 is represented by minus 700. That means that putting the money in the bank is plus and taking out money from the bank is minus. Now one more question from the textbook. Draw the number line and answer the following. Question is, draw the number line and answer the following questions. See, in this, the first one is, which number will we reach? Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. For that, first you have to draw the number line, and always 0 comes in between, and then write all the positive numbers towards the right side of 0 of the number line, and write all the negative numbers to the left side of the 0 on the number line. Now you have to start with, if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2, you will start with minus 2 and you will go 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, we reach plus 2. See, we have to start with minus 2 and we have to go towards the right side. Now, one more question from the textbook. It is, which number will we reach? Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the, if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1. First, you have to draw the number line. First, draw the number line and write 0 in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. You can write any number. You can continue, but how much ever is required, only that much if you write, that is enough. Along with that, even if you don't write plus, it is understood it is plus. You have to start with 1. 1 is here. You have to go 5 numbers towards the left. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to start with minus 1 and we reach, where do you reach? We reach minus 4. We are reaching. See here, start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more question from the textbook. It is, if we are at, this is also from the textbook, if we are at -8 on the number line, that means we had to write the numbers till -8 in this number line. In which direction we move to reach -13. First you have to draw a number line, and this side many numbers are not required, therefore I am going to draw here, write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This side we need number till -13, therefore -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. We need some more numbers, -13 and -14. We are starting from -8 and we are reaching to -13. That means we are going to the back. That means we are moving to the left side of the number line. We are moving towards left side to reach -13 from -8. From 8, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units we have moved towards the left side of the number line. And one more question from the textbook. That means if we are at -6, on the number line, whenever there is minus, write the number within the bracket on the number line. In which direction should we move to reach? Should we move to reach -1? First, draw number line and write 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this side -1, -2, and -3, -4. We need some more number, -5 and -6. We are starting from -6 and we are going towards this side. That means the arrow mark you have to show towards the right side. That means we are moving towards right on the number line. That means if we move towards the right, the value of the number goes on increasing. That means -1 is greater than -6. That means if we put the minus sign, the value of the number is lesser than the previous one. That means if we go towards the left side of the number line, the value of the number goes on decreasing. Now one more question from the textbook. Write integers which comes in between. Write integers which comes in between -7 and +7. -7 and +7. Draw the number line 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Make it little longer. And then minus 5, minus 6, and then here minus 7. That means the integers which comes in between, solution is the integers which comes in between minus 7 and plus 7 are, that is minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the integers which comes in between minus 7 and plus 7 are minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, in this session, you learned that integers is a set of numbers with positive and negative sign along with 0. 0 is an integer without any sign, and if we take 0 as ground level as 0, if you go towards up it is plus, and if you go towards the depth, that is below ground level, that is below the sea level, it is represented with minus sign. And putting the money, depositing money in the bank is with the positive sign, and withdrawing money from the bank is with the negative sign. Therefore, there is a need of negative numbers in maths and in the daily life. In the next session, you are going to learn about addition and subtraction of integers on the number line, and along with that how to add and subtract positive and negative numbers. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.